Hi y'all! Today we are continuing our Messin with Mezcal series by bringing you BOZAL Ensemble. My name's Christina and this is the Liquor Camp. As you may know, we have been messing with mezcal lately, and today I've got another great one for you in BOZAL Ensemble. This is a blended mezcal, so it blends three different types of mezcals: Espadin, Barril, and Mexicano. It's a 94 proof and it retails for about $55 in our area. BOZAL roughly translates into wild or untamed in Spanish, and this seems to be the overarching theme of this entire company. They offer about 4 different varieties of mezcal, and they really take traditional and natural and basically wild or untamed methods to heart. They wild harvest their agaves on the hillsides of Oaxaca, Guerrero, and Durango. They use machetes to do it. They cook the agave hearts in earthen pits, and then they take those agave hearts once they're prepared. They grind them with a stone wheel powered by horse, and then open air ferment their mezcals, adding no artificial yeast. So they basically just use the yeast that's actually naturally occurring in the air. So they take it very seriously that they're using traditional methods to make their mezcal, and they believe that it adds a much richer flavor to their mezcals, and I would not disagree. Once the fermentation process is done, they double distill their mezcals to get out any imperfections, and they offer them in these beautiful earthen clay type bottles. Each variety comes in a different color, and this particular one is the Ensemble. As a company, BOZAL seems to be very driven to give back and to honor their heritage. They honor their heritage by using the traditional methods of the mezcaleros, and then they give back by planting 2 for every 1 agave they harvest. And they also give a portion of their production fees back to the small communities that support them. So as a company, I feel like you should feel very good about supporting them by purchasing their products. As far as this mezcal is concerned, on the nose, I get the smoky aromas right away. I also get that sour citrus type of aroma that you would get with agave. This smells like a really good mezcal. It's definitely intriguing. It makes you want to take a taste. As far as the taste, the first taste, you definitely get hit with that pepper. From the front of the tongue all the way to the back, you're getting pepper. As it mellows, you start to get that smokiness coming through. And then I'm starting to get that sour citrus agave type of flavor. It's really unique to agave, so it's hard to describe, but it's that traditional tequila mezcal flavor that most people are familiar with. That comes through at the end as the other 2 mellow. It still has that smokiness though in the mouth, and it definitely doesn't overpower the rest of it. Now, I have tried some mezcals that all you taste or all you smell once you put it in your mouth is the smoke from a campfire. You feel like you've drank a campfire. This is not one of them. This is a very good blend of all 3 of those flavors. And as it rolls through, it's phenomenal because I get all of it. On the second taste, as that pepper mellows, I get much more of that citrusy, earthy agave flavor, but I still have that smokiness in the background. And like I said, it's not overpowering, so it's a beautiful blend of those 2 flavors. Really love this. I would definitely recommend this to someone who's first trying out mezcals, but it's also strong enough to recommend to someone that is a fan. Definitely go get you one. If you like mezcals, please check out our other Messin with Mezcal videos. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all back here at the camp. Once they bottle it, they put them in these beautiful, they have a clay pot fired. They have a Once the mezcal is ready, they put them in these beautiful clay-looking pot bottles. They put them in these beautiful clay pots.